All right, everybody, here we are working on my son's 2005 Cadillac Escalade, and we've done a bunch of stuff on the channel of this truck. So here's something else we got to do. The shifter linkage, as you can see, the bushing has gone bad, and somebody has taken and used safety wire and safety wired it on so it wouldn't fall off. Okay, well, you can't shift it all the way down to low because of this. So Dorman makes a bushing kit. This is bushing number 14073. It comes with a bushing and an E-clip, and you're supposed to drill it out to 3/8, which we have in the drill there. This is not supposed to work on this Cadillac. It's supposed to be for the Chevrolet trucks, 2500, 1500. I don't see why it will not work on this. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this disconnected. And you can see the cable's just falling off. And then we'll get the rest of this wire off. All right, here, take that. All right, so there's a greenish bushing inside. Yep, there you go. There's a green bushing inside that fails on these. So we are going to see, you're supposed to drill this out to 3/8 and put that other bushing in. Luckily, it looks like his pin is in good shape. Sometimes these pins rust out. Let me get in here and drill this out and we'll come back. All right, so I'm gonna grab this linkage and we're gonna use the 3/8 drill bit. That is dull as hell. All right, you see the green bushing? All right, we're through. All right, now we're going to get the new bushing and the E-clip. And this is supposed to go, well, it goes that way, but it's not supposed to go that way. All right, this piece is supposed to be on the linkage side, so it's supposed to go through this way. Let me get a pair of pliers. And I'll get this thing pushed in. There we go. All right, it's in. Got the E-clip on, so now this just comes up. You probably should have shifted it into neutral. That's all right. There we go. And we have repaired the shifter cable. It's on there nice and good. It's not coming off. We have repaired the shifter cable now, saving us a bunch of money because those bushings are only like $14 and I have no idea how much a shifter cable is, but why replace the whole shifter cable when you just need the bushing? All right, everybody, pretty easy and quick fix. Dorman part number 14073, and it does work on the Cadillacs and all the Chevrolet and GMC trucks. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always see that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.